Hey everyone, Kaylee here with this minimal but polished drugstore makeup look. It's pretty easy, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. First of all, you're going to start out by evening out your skin. I like to do that by using a dewy concealer like the Match Perfection, by Rimmel, and just kind of applying that over my trouble areas, so around my mouth, and then a little bit on my cheeks, and blending it out with a face brush. You could also use a tinted moisturizer if that's your preferred way of evening out your skin tone. Another thing you could do is to use a smaller brush and a more pigmented concealer to spot treat certain areas if you have certain breakouts or spots that you want to cover. For me, I just kind of wanted general evening out all over my skin. And then I'm using a different concealer for under my eyes just because I really love this concealer. So I'm just placing that in a triangle shape underneath my eyes and then blending it out again with the same face brush so that I get a nice, even but very dispersed application of the product. And finally, I'm finishing off by powdering, and I'm setting with a small brush the little areas that are a little bit more problematic. So underneath my eyes to keep it from creasing, and then I'm going over my nose and around my nose because it gets a little bit more oily and my makeup tends to break down. So I add more powder there to help absorb oil throughout the day. And finally, I use a stippling brush just to kind of dust some powder over the rest of my face just to keep it in place and fresh all day long. Now we're going to go ahead and add some color to the face. You can skip this if you're not a blush fan, or you could use a bronzer, but I'm going to use this Happy Booster blush and just dust a little bit over the apples of my cheeks and pull it a little bit back just so I have some more color in my face. And then we're going to go ahead and define the eyes. Now I'm going to use some shimmery colors, but if you're not a fan of shimmery colors, you could always go with just your face powder over your eyes. I'm going to use this gold shade, which is a really flattering shade on basically every skin tone. And then optionally you could add a highlight in your tear duct and your brow bone. If not, you could just apply your one shade all over. I just really like to highlight, so that's what I did. And I'm finishing off with a matte brown in the crease just to add some dimension and focus to my eyes without making them like panda eyes or anything like that. And then you're going to go ahead and define your lashes. Basically, I'm just taking my Loreal Voluminous Million lashes and I'm just coating them enough to get some definition there. You could use a brow mascara or just skip this altogether if you want a more minimal look. And also, if you want a more minimal look, you could go ahead and not do the brows, but for me, I absolutely have to fill in my brows. It's like a thing that I just have to do when I'm doing my makeup, but if it's not your thing, definitely don't worry about it. Finally, finish off by adding a little bit of color to your lips. You could always just use a tinted lip balm, but I'm going to show you kind of the most products that you could put on. I'm doing a lip butter and then going over it with this Pink Nude by NYX, which is a great kind of warm pinky color, and it looks really, really natural once it's on. And that's it for this minimal look. Make sure to check out my previous hair tutorial on the Celtic braid, which I think is amazing, and you guys should check back next week for some more hairstyles. I'll see you then. Bye!